Hi, welcome to ABC Balancing Beads All-in-One Kits demonstration, how to correctly install our balancing beads into the tire through the valve stem. Let's do it. All right, first we're going to remove any wheel or spoke weights from the motorcycle. We're going to remove the valve core, and while the air is being released, we're going to take our pre-measured application size and pour it into the squeeze bottle. Next, we're going to attach the included tube, first to the valve stem and then to the squeeze bottle. Tilt the bottle, pouring the beads downwards towards the valve stem. When about 1/4 inch is accumulated, stop pouring and hold the squeeze bottle in an upright position and squeeze. The vacuum creates an up and down motion that ushers the beads through the valve stem into the tire. Once completed, install our valve core included in every kit, air up to the proper PSI, and install our ABC valve cap. It's that simple. Thank you so much for allowing us to share with you the correct procedure for installing ABC balancing beads into a motorcycle tire through the valve stem. Safe travels.